客家风情。
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and here comes music from the band Sangyotoi and their newest album, which delivers this song, Heading Home on the Train, or in Hakka, 茶過歸來. Now, this song depicts a traveler taking a train across Gaoping River and riding into a familiar village. Along the way, the traveler witnesses the mountains and seas reminiscent of their hometown. Lead singer Lin Yue-ting uses her gentle voice to carry that homesickness to the listener, bringing them back home. Let's take a listen.
火車駛過高屏海，歸來則覺得手係客家莊，連落時是昨天多加多，火車慢慢駛入路昨天，故鄉變成火車嘅玻璃窗，右邊係歸發嘅太海。 trong thiên đàng cái mục tiêu kim kim khôn tình ngài火車駛過高屏海，火車駛過高屏海，歸來站嗰個就係客家莊，歸來站嗰個就係客家莊，連落時是昨天。
这首歌是由山狗大后生乐团所带来的《茶過歸來》，車過歸來，描繪旅人搭着火車穿越高屏溪，沿途山海交錯，故鄉景色透過車窗湧現。而主唱林鈺婷用她溫潤嗓音唱出深深思鄉的心情。這首歌呢，就如同一場返鄉的旅程，輕輕召喚聽眾回到心中的故鄉。這就是山狗大後生樂團持續以細膩創作來展現土地的情感。Do you miss your hometown now? I know I do. Thank you for listening, and we will see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.